Welcome back to Julie the Thrifty Designer. I see my camera has decided to divide it up where I can only make 2 videos. I did not realize it did that. So anyway, now I will show you my bathroom. I did find some little battery lights in here of those fairy lights. And they sure look green. Wow. Well, that's better now. Again, very simple. And 2 picks, literally. They are just 2 picks that's stuck back here. I'm trying to see if I can show it to you without messing things up too much. I don't want to have to redo everything. One on going this way and one going that way. Isn't it pretty though? Just simple with a red candle in the middle. And on the back of the toilet, those are 3 picks just stuffed in my everyday greenery that I have in there. You can't even see my everyday greenery, but it's all right, it fits in there very nicely. And then I put some pine cones and just a few other picks with it. And then a Christmas card I had gotten one year of the story of Jesus. And just my simple light that I put on there every year. And I guess I should have fixed my towels a little bit. There we go. Isn't that nice? And then very simple on my sink. And that's all I have done in here. I got the same old rug. I love that rug. Again, just simple. I didn't do excessive amount, but it sure is pretty. So I just want to wish everyone the merriest of Christmases. And remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Merry Christmas and God bless.